In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ElevenLabs history. We'll walk through this simple process step by step to help you manage your data effectively and ensure that your account history only contains entries that are necessary to you. So, let's get started and have this done in just a few minutes. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. You can use any browser that you're comfortable with, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. It's important to ensure your browser is updated to the latest version to avoid any unexpected glitches that might arise from outdated software. Once your browser is open, navigate to the ElevenLabs website and log in to your account. If you haven't logged in for a while or you're on a new device, remember to have your credentials handy. After logging in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard where you manage your projects and settings. Next, go to the text-to-speech section, which you'll find easily on your dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with multiple options, and right next to the Settings option, you'll find History. Click on this History tab to proceed. Here, in the History section, you'll be presented with a chronological list of all past changes made. This includes the detailed history of text-to-speech entries. You'll find useful information here such as the date, time, and more options like playing back the file, showing more details, and even downloading the audio file for future reference. To clean up your history, you'll need to look for the Manage History option, conveniently located right beside the Search History tab. Once you click on Manage History, tick boxes will appear next to each entry, allowing you to select the specific items you wish to manage. After selecting the entries you want to delete, you'll find a Delete option appear magically right next to the Manage History button. By clicking this Delete option, your selected entries will be erased permanently from your history. Remember to only delete the entries that you genuinely want removed, as this process cannot be undone. Keeping your history clean and organized not only secures your privacy, but also improves your experience with the platform by ensuring it is always uncluttered and efficient. That's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to manage and delete your ElevenLabs history. Feel free to refer back to this guide whenever you need. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.